So for this part of our lesson, we're going to be looking at extension. So we will be talking about how this lesson ties into social studies. One of the things that I had made mention of is the fact that we would be talking about how students would be understanding, reducing, reusing, and recycling. So using the elephant poop to create paper to generate revenue for smaller countries like Sri Lanka, like they talked about. Or for example, bat guano is revered as one of the most protected things in the Incan culture. So we would talk about how these things tie into not only helping the environment, but also helping the people that use them. So we would talk about how poop is used in many different cultures. Like for instance, we use cow poop in the form of manure for gardening. It makes our gardens grow nice and beautiful and all this good stuff. So we would talk about all these cool things during the extension portion of our lesson.